Hello there. Once again, it's been another week that's been dominated by some wet weather at times. But when we have had the sunshine, it's felt pleasant enough. And some of us on Friday had a beautiful scene, just like Carmarthenshire. Hope you made the most of it, though, because particularly out to the west, the start of the weekend looks decidedly unsettled with more wet and windy weather arriving. Ahead of it, we'll see quite a lot of cloud, and the cloud thick enough for a spot or two of light drizzle that'll be easing away from northeast England and eastern Scotland. Misty, murky conditions behind, and then some heavy rain by the middle part of the afternoon. So a west-east divide as we go through the day. Some of the rain will be quite heavy, still quite mild with it, 14 degrees. And you can see across southeast England and east of the Pennines, we may well continue to see some brief glimpses of sunshine. But the rain through Wales, stretching up through northwest England, Northern Ireland and western Scotland will turn increasingly heavy, accompanied by gusts of winds potentially around 40 miles an hour. A little bit fresher as well into the northeast Scotland, but generally that mild theme set to continue. Now, as we go through Saturday evening and into the early hours of Sunday morning, our weather front will continue to sink its way steadily south and east. The heaviest of the rain is likely to be now through the Midlands and down towards southeast England, and that's going to take its time to clear. So during the early hours of Sunday morning, expect a spell of wet weather. That'll probably still be there across East Anglia and southeast England for early birds on Sunday, but it will start to ease away through the middle part of the morning. A few scattered showers tucking in behind, and then Sunday generally will be a case of sunny spells, few isolated showers, and still relatively mild for this stage in February, 10 to 14 degrees the high. Now, as we move out of Sunday into the new working week, once again we will see spells of wet weather at times, brief drier interludes to follow, but by the middle part of the week we'll see a spell of particularly wet and windy weather right across the country, and that will have an impact on the feel of the weather. We'll lose that mild southwesterly flow, and northwesterly returns. Cooler story for all from midweek onwards. So planning ahead, might be a mild, relatively sunny start, but it'll be wet and windy through the middle part of the week, and then colder air to follow behind.